Hi, I'm Yuna. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make rice seaweed snacks. So you're like, what are you talking about, rice seaweed snacks? So right now it's probably really hard to imagine these two things are going to come together and create delicious snack. But just keep watching because it's going to be so fun. And this is a TikTok viral recipe and I'm excited to show you how to go about making this. So super easy. I've got a lot of rice paper here. I'm gonna just wet it. That's good. I'm gonna drain that water. You just want it so slightly wet so that the seaweed will stick. So over here on the stove I have white pan and I put some oil in it. You can put vegetable oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, whatever you want. So basically, you're gonna pick one up. Have your hands dry. I can do this. I've seen different videos. One was like wrapping the seaweed inside. So I'm gonna fry it like that first and see how that turns out. So I'm just gonna wrap these around and see what happens. Oh, the oil smells ready. As soon as you drop it, you're gonna hear like a transformation. So you just really customize how you want it. I never said it was going to be the prettiest snack, okay? I said it's just fun. You're going to start to feel the texture change. That's when you pull it out. So, freshly fried rice paper wrapped seaweed snacks. That's it, super freshly fried. And oh, before I forget, I gotta season it, of course. Season these bad boys with lots of salt, and I like fresh cut pepper. Game changer right there. I'm excited to give this a try. Oh my gosh, it has the same sound as a chip. I mean, of course, I just deep fried it. Why wouldn't it be, right? So they're gonna stick a little bit because of the rice paper, so make sure that you are regularly checking that and let them not sit for a while. This is it, you guys. If we are not connected on Instagram, or if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, ta-da! Please follow me and hit the subscribe button at Yuna Cooks. I'm right here uploading new videos, yes, with new recipes. I try to be more fun with all these TikTok viral recipes because they seem to grab everybody's attention. They definitely grab my attention. Hence, I'm here making this. So, cheers everybody. Let's go ahead and have some chips.